Hi guys, it's Diamond11 on Roblox. This is going to be the tour of our game called BMT Lines. Currently in dev, only has 2 stations right now, but it's going to have a lot more once we finish this Coney Island mezzanine. But anyways, let's get into it. This is the game tour, and this is all the information. Here we go. It may take a little while in the game to get into the game, but the lag will be optimized and eventually be resolved later in the game. But for now, let's take a tour of everything that is inside. So this usually happens when we load in. Now everything's loaded in. Alright, let's start walking across all the station platforms. See, this is what we have right now. Let me just turn up my volume. Volume. Yep, there we go. Gonna walk up the stairs here. We got our elevators. This is going to be a building. Once we finish this building, then the fence will be built here, and then everything will go where it has to go. So we're just gonna walk to the end. This is the bottom elevator floor. Yep, we're just gonna walk to the end. This is going to be built soon. Got the lights here. Everything is made by myself. Credits to Silly Goober for the R211. Programs. Here is the building. Let's not step on the third rail. Here is a track switch. Yep. And we have a currently working day and night light cycle. Now we're on the F train platform. This is everything that's here. More coming soon, by the way. So it's a bit dark, but that's alright. We're going to tour everything inside of this masterpiece. Signage is going to be put up. As you can see, we have our own custom Helvetica signage on every single column. We will also be using Helvetica for every single piece of signage except for these exit signs, because I do not want to do all of that. Yep, the stairs will be built here soon, so I'm just gonna go down here and show you how we are going to do it. Okay, so you can see we have a street level here also. No lighting here, but we're gonna add that later in phase. Maybe actually, yeah. So here are the stairs, custom lamps. We're gonna finish this wall decorating. We already finished the whole wall, but it's fine. We're gonna go see the bus loop first. Let's set the time to Let's set the time to 7. There we go. We have more lighting. Okay, let's exit through here because I also made this by myself. That was a custom emergency exit. These are Omni turnstiles. Credits to Eric's Model Shop. Very functional. I'm satisfied with them. Omni machines, credit card machines. This game is going to be very highly detailed. So I'm have to scale these down a bit, but that's fine. The trees around the loop, detailed. I also built this building by myself. I'm selling it on sale for 15 Robux in my Discord server. Independent Rail Corp. Link is gonna be in bio. Yeah. So we're just going around the loop right now. There's the bus that I used to test the loop. Still have to do some work on it, but it's fine. It's not going to be functional. Not going to be put in service. Prop mesh buses that I found on the creator store. Now let's walk across the street. See this one, the speed limit guy, I also made by myself. Coney Island Stillwell Avenue Station. walking inside it right now. Going into the subway. Alright, let's take a quick tour and then we'll allow you to see the outside. So here are all the stores. This is the 34th Street Precinct. 34th Precinct. MTA Transit District. Shout out to all the police officers that work for us and save us. More stores. This one is still under renovation. Breezy Gift & Co. Yeah, so once I finish, I'm gonna finish the arch, but for now, it's gonna be temporary windows. Just some textures. Let's set the time to 7 and fly. Let's set our graphics a bit lower. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty bad, considering that I have an iPhone. Anyways, so here we're working on something. We got the ball. We're gonna be able to put the light tower up here that everybody always uses. We're gonna make our own. The Rita's shop is going to be coming up soon. I'm gonna delete this. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for the mezzanine. Let's get into it. We're gonna walk across. We're gonna walk up the ramp. The game is going to be expected to release by August or September. But if you can't wait that time, then we have another game. It's called IRC 7th Avenue Lines, and it goes from New Lutz Avenue to Franklin Avenue, Medgar College, and some stops on the 2 and 5. Wasn't able to build it continually. Had to stop. But let's take this train to West 8th Street, which is the next stop. Announcements will be put in soon. Also, this is a free train from MTC's. Credit to Square Blockman from MTC.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Let's check our battery. Pretty low. It's fine. If the game goes viral, I hope it does. I hope someone like Kenzie makes a video. I hope. Probably not though. Time 7 again. The day and night cycle turns pretty fast. I might actually have to reduce the time. There's the things that we use. Not gonna be there in game, obviously. So here's West 8th Street, still in dev. I'm going to add the lower level connection because the F train will also be put in service. However, there needs to be track work done by Coney Island-Stillwell Avenue Station.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So here it is, West 8th Street. Not really much here. I'm going to add the decorations for every single station. Here is it from the outside, very accurate to real life. We are driving. Okay. So here are the supports. Also, again, custom Helvetica signage. This is built by myself. Everything built by myself, and I think I crashed. No, I didn't. But it's very laggy. I will have to find a solution to reduce the lag. Anyways, so what will happen is when it releases, everything will be up to date, planned. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you're seeing this right now, like and comment and probably join my Discord server, link in bio again. Like, subscribe. All support is appreciated. Please do not hate on the comments because I tried my best. Also, here's some little secrets. I'm going to add it across the map. Old signage from, yeah, M train to Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer, Unison Turnpike. That's crazy cursed. Also going to add the building. And yep, that's pretty much it. I pretty much went over everything that we have in the game right now. Well, once again, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel noticed by a lot of other popular transit community YouTubers. And you have a good day. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube.